Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Rahul. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, too. What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend. We plan to go shopping.
Oh, nice. What do you want to buy?
Just some clothes and shoes. Maybe a bag, too.
That sounds fun. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. I like trying new styles. What about you?
I don't shop much. I only buy when I need something.
That's so typical for boys.
Maybe. So where do you usually shop?
I go to the city mall. It has many stores.
Oh, yes, I've been there. The food court is amazing.
True. I love the pizza there.
Me too. Do you like spicy food?
A little. Not too spicy. What about you?
I love spicy food, especially Indian curry.
I tried Indian curry once. It was delicious.
Really? That's great. Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from India.
Wow, India is a beautiful country. I saw pictures online.
Thank you. You should visit sometime.
I would love to. Maybe next summer.
I can show you around my city.
That would be wonderful. What places can we visit?
We can go to the beach, temples, and markets.
Sounds exciting. Do you go there often?
Yes, especially on weekends. It's relaxing.
What do you do on weekends usually?
I meet my friends, watch movies, or play cricket.
You play cricket? That's interesting. I don't know much about it.
It's like baseball, but a little different. I can teach you.
That would be fun. What movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Me too. Who is your favorite actor?
I like Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh, I've heard of him. He's very famous.
Yes, he is a legend. Who's your favorite actress?
I like Emma Watson. She's smart and kind.
Good choice. Have you watched Harry Potter?
Of course. Many times.
Same here. The movies are amazing.
Do you like reading books too?
Sometimes. I prefer watching videos to learn English.
That's smart. I also watch English videos online.
Which channel do you watch?
I like English with Learn English YouTube.
Nice. I'll check them out.
Learning English is easier when you practice daily.
Yes, speaking helps a lot.
We can practice together sometimes.
That's a great idea. Let's start today.
Sure. Let's talk about hobbies. What are yours?
I like music, cricket, and cooking.
You cook? That's cool. What do you cook?
Simple food, rice, curry, and noodles.
I love noodles.
I can make spicy noodles for you next time.
Deal. And I'll bake cookies for you.
Wow, that's perfect.
It's nice talking with you, Rahul.
Same here, Emma. You speak very clearly.
Thank you. You speak very well, too.
Let's meet again tomorrow for more English talk.
Sure. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, Emma.